Long Branch train station in the Long Branch yard in New Jersey. And I have a feeling we got some clowns on the train. Let's see. I told you we had clowns on the train.
I forgot my red nose.
Yeah.
And I forgot my bee shoes.
You know what's going on? All these people are carrying alcohol with them. I guess we're gonna have a party on this train. The sign up ahead of us says happy hour, so I guess this is the party train. Wow, there's gonna be a bunch of drunks on this one. It's the party train. It's overcrowded and the ceiling's leaking. And they're drinking. Yahoo!
Oh yeah, it was like
The best train to ride. Standing room only.
Oh yeah, it was like Oh yeah, it was like Oh yeah, it was like
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? 99 stops. Oh, it's time to get drunk on New Jersey Transit. This is a wild train. Y'all need to come on here and get drunk with us. Even the sign says happy hour. This is wild. This is a wild train. Y'all need to come on here and get drunk with us.